Here we are with example number 4. Now we're looking at the cone. So here's a picture of a cone. Again, remember there's a slant height. It's the height of the edge of the cone on the outside. The height is the internal height from the center of the circular part of the cone to the apex or the tip. We have labels: H for height, S for slant height, and R for the radius of the cone or the radius of the circle on the base. So our formula is as noted here. Area of the base is a simple circle, pi r squared. The other part is pi rs, pi times radius times the slant height. Okay. When we combine those two parts of the formula together, we get pi r squared plus pi rs. Remember that this side area is also referred to sometimes as the lateral area. Okay. Example 4 says a right cone has a base radius of 7 and a slant height of 12. Calculate the lateral surface area, the base surface area, and the total surface area. So this question actually wants us to take this formula, split it up into its individual parts, do the two calculations, and then add the two together. So we do that. So first of all, let's calculate the lateral area. Remember, the lateral area is just the area of the side. So that is area of the side, which is just equal to pi times r times s. Now pi is the button on your calculator. It is not 3.14. 3.14 is a rounded value. We do not want to use rounded values in our calculations anymore. That's all pre-grade 10 math, so remember that. On your scientific calculator, there will be a button that has pi. You don't have to remember all of the digits, 3.14159, whatever it happens to be. If you remember them, that's great. Just punch them in your calculator. If not, then use whatever function is necessary to bring pi up on your calculator screen. Okay, so pi rs is going to be pi times my radius, which is 7, times my slant height, which was 12. Punch that into your handy dandy calculator, and you get 263.8937829. So there is my lateral surface area for this cone. Now I do the base surface area, base, which is just a simple circle, pi r squared, pi times my radius, which was 7 squared, which gives me 153.93804. There's my lateral area, my base area. So my surface area, the total surface area, is simply I add the area of my base plus the area of my side, which are those two numbers, 153.93804 plus 263.8937.829. Add the two together. I get 417.83182229. Does the question tell me what to round to? Question that does not tell me what to round to. So any questions that we ever come across now in this course, any questions you come across and it doesn't tell you what to round to, you always round to 2 decimal places. Good standard rule of thumb. 417.83, and my units would be, in this case, meters squared. There's example number 4. I'll come back with example number 5 because it is using the cone again, using the Pythagorean theorem.